Opening the package from OPT7, you can see we have the scotch locks, the remote, the bracket mounts, the zip ties. This is the control box, and these are the actual running board bars. They came individually wrapped, and they have the sticky backing on it with the cover that will have to peel off. I decided to have the bracket mounts installed because I don't plan on removing the bars anytime soon. So we are starting to install all three here. We removed the red strip on the sticky side just to push it into the truck where we could, just to give it an extra grip. But again, we are using the brackets to have it mounted so it doesn't move. Running the wires through the wheel well to the engine bay just to have a cleaner look. Pulling it through so you can get everything connected. Installing the control box just in a convenient location. Just wanted to give it that security. When you're connecting the wires, you want to make sure the red is hooked up to the parking light, your blue and yellow for turn signals. You have your ground wire and your battery wire with the inline fuse. So want to make sure you get those connected well.